Here we are going to demonstrate about the intelligent braking system. This is going to work with the help of ultrasonic sensor to sense the obstacle, 8 mega 3 to 8 microcontroller, regulated power supply section, which gets a power supply from the battery and distributed to the entire modules and relay to on and off the motor. And here we have a charging circuit. The voltage generated from the solar panel will be used to store into the battery with the help of this charging circuit. And we have used an DC motor, which is an wiper motor right now, which is going to be work on chain and sprocket mechanism. And we have used MS mild steel and UCB bearings and bright shaft rod. So let us see the demonstration. So when there is an obstacle, it gets off. Obstacle has been detected. Now when we remove the obstacle, the vehicle starts to move. So in the line of sight only, it is able to detect the object. When it is not in the line of sight, it will not detect the object. Thank you.